Do you know HTML and basic PHP? Do you want to learn how you can turn that basic knowledge into creating a real world application? Then this is the right free programming course for you. I have created a free programming course on YouTube where I will train you how to create a complete e-commerce web application from scratch. And here is how our final project will look like. We will have a homepage that will open when the customer visits our website for the first time. This homepage will have a slider and it will have menus. It will have submenus. Then it will have main categories listed here, and then the main products or training products listed on the main page. We will have the shopping page, whereby the shop page will have the products listed with a side filter where the customer can filter according to the parameters that they want. We'll also create a single product page and will look like this, where a customer can zoom different pictures for the product that they want to buy, and they can go ahead and add it to cart. On top of that, we'll also add the details page where this information can be dynamically created by someone who is selling products on the system that you're going to create. We will have all the processes of cart implemented, whereby the customer can add a product into the cart, change their quantity, remove a product from cart, or go ahead and proceed to the checkout. And this is the information that the customer will be able to fill when they're checking out. We'll also implement the shipping, where the customer can select a different shipping carrier that they want. Then after shipping, a customer can proceed to the payment page. We'll also implement the sign in and sign up logic. So by the end of the course, this is how the customer's dashboard will look like. We'll also create the logic whereby the system administrator can go ahead and upload products dynamically into the system. And this is how the form of adding a product will look like. And we will also support the drag and drop of images. The system that you're going to create is going to be responsive on all mobile devices, whereby this is how to look like on an iPhone, and this is how the system will look like on an Android phone. This is Samsung phone. So let me hope you're ready to do this complete e-commerce project with me. If you are, then this is what you need to do. First of all, you'll have to find the playlist of all the videos in the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it, then to lead you to the full playlist of all videos. Or if you have accessed this video without access of the description, you can as well find the playlist of this video that I'm going to create on my YouTube channel by simply coming to YouTube and type in "Learn It with Muhindo" in the search bar. Then on the first result, you'll see my YouTube channel, which is clear, "Learn It with Muhindo." Then go ahead and click on my YouTube channel. Then click on this playlist of how to build a complete e-commerce web application. So there you'll have found all where the videos will be posted. All the videos that will be posting about this topic will be listed in this section, and I'll be posting a 30 minutes video every day. So make sure that you subscribe so that when I post, you're among the people who get notifications. And that's it. So let's go ahead and start learning how to create a complete e-commerce web application as how I've demonstrated, and turn the basic HTML knowledge and PHP into something that can really make money for us, or into skills that we can really get jobs for. So let me wait you in the very first video that you'll find in the playlist that I've showed you. Goodbye.